Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a catch-all spread for the week of April 3rd through the 9th. This is, like I said, my catch-all planner. This is my monthly. So I tried to fill my monthly this month and I didn't get half of it, you guys. So I am not going to be posting that video, but in case you were curious, this is what it looks like. I love how it came out. Let me know what you think about this. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. So we're going to be planning for April 3rd through the 9th. I decided to do an Easter spread. So I'm going to be using the Chic Spring from the Love Posh. She has these very lovely Easter stickers that I'm going to be using. So join me for all the fun. So let's get started. In case you guys hear rain in the background, we're having like really severe thunderstorms. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and place these flowers with the birdcage right here. And that's how we're going to start this spread. I'm gonna add the little girl. Next to the flowers, like so. Not sure what she's doing with her foot, but it's something. And then I'm gonna add the little bunny right here, kind of hopping. Okay. So now that I have a start, I'm gonna go ahead and do some functional stuff meanwhile. So I'm gonna add some of these checklists, boxes, and etc. So just bear with me. I'm gonna be using pinks mostly, I think. So let's see. Yeah, I don't have blue in here or the dark pink, so I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of play with this like so. I think I want to place all of my checklists kind of on the top. So let's see how that would work. Okay, and then we have the 6th. You know, I'm doing this like upside down, you guys. I apologize. Okay, let's see this one. I have 2 more. I need actually 3, but that's okay. Sunday is Easter, and I won't really have that many to-dos. So for this day, I'm actually going to use a full box where the checklist is. I'm just gonna put like Happy Easter or something, you know? Okay. If I can place it straight. Let me know if you guys have any fun traditions for Easter. So I am Polish and I was raised Catholic. So my parents to this day on Saturday before Easter go to church to get their basket blessed with all the breakfast foods that we're going to be eating the next day. So they make the salad for us with eggs and bacon and sausage. It is so good. So I'm hosting Easter this year for both of our families. But I know they're gonna bring me this awesome salad, breakfast salad, to eat like on the following day. So kind of fun. My tile is kind of different and fun. It is going to be a very pink spread. I'm gonna use lots of pink boxes. So again, bear with me. I'm gonna add, let's see, I do have something that I'm doing this day. Thursday, yes. Friday for sure. Saturday as well. So all of these days are here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab like these darker pink things. I think these are called, I call them heathers. I don't know if that's necessarily like the right name for them. I think so, right? These are heathers. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna grab this tweezer and then I'm gonna like kind of play a little bit with the placement of these like that. And then this one, let's see if I can put it on the bottom. How would that work? Okay. Didn't see that I have more of the to-dos. Okay, on Friday I'm gonna put goals. On Saturday I'm gonna put like important. On Thursday, tasks. Like so. I think that works. I'm gonna put this one back and I'm gonna continue decorating. So I'm gonna go back to that Easter spread. Let's put some eggs up here. You guys, like this. Let me see if there's like a Happy Easter or anything like that in here. It doesn't look like it, so I'm just gonna keep going. Look how beautiful this is. Let's see if I can like place it up here so it's very like decorative and beautiful. I'll take these small bunnies, not the big ones, but the small ones. I'm gonna make this loopy thing, like from this box. From this box to this box, let's see. Like that. I think that's so cute. Little banners. And then, oh, there's this big cross. I can do that. Okay. Can we do that like maybe right here? It's like a very pretty with the greenery. Maybe I'm not like the biggest religious person, but I do rejoice in Easter. I think it really is like the time of hope. Okay. Let's put that here. Okay. I know that I want to put a couple more things, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure where or what. Okay, let me put these little eggs with the birdie, like right here. I'll put another little thing of flowers. Just do it here. It's good. I'm gonna use this beautiful, really like vibrant pink flower up here. So yeah, so do you guys have any traditions? I saw a couple friends today and she was telling me that her family does this awesome thing where it is a Easter egg hunt for adults, and they do like makeup and little gift cards and stuff like that outside of the thing that they do for kids. I thought that was so funny and like so cute. I think I would love that. So in case you guys do anything fun like that or have fun traditions, please, please, please share with me. I want to learn about you guys. Also, if you are watching from like another country or another state, let me know where you're from. I want to learn more about you guys. I'm always so curious to see where you're from and what you guys are doing. I'm gonna put this board like up here. Yeah, so again, let's put those eggs up here. I think they'll look cute. Yeah. And then I just need like a little thing maybe up here and up here. This is so crooked and this is so crooked. I gotta fix this. It is driving me nuts. Okay. See if that's better. Slightly. This is crooked too now. Oh my lord. I put one sticker straight? I don't think so. Oh, maybe I can do this and it'll be like layered. Yeah, I think that looks better. And then let me see if I can do this instead. And maybe I can write on top of it. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna leave this one box alone. And then I can just put like another header on this side to bring that pink over. I think that looks better. I think it looks more balanced. Okay. So maybe I can take this floral and like cut it and add that to those spots, and it'll be nice and full and ready. Let me know what you guys think about this spread because I'm about to finish. And I can't wait to hear what you guys think and whether you liked it. And then I'll see you guys for another video really soon. But before you do, I'm gonna add one more thing. Let's see if I can add this. Yeah. Okay, I think it's more complete now. So again, this book was Chic Spring from Live Love Posh. I used all of the elements from that book, so I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. I do need to like cut this little piece off. But other than that, it's ready to go. Again, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys very soon for another Plan With Me. Thanks for joining me today. Bye!